Hi, my name is Enrique, and here at Empower Brokerage, we like to address some of the questions that our agents have, and this is one way to share that with you as far as what happens, in this case, what happens if I misrepresent myself, I'm the applicant, on a life insurance application. Well, one of the things that, quite frankly, might be a little bit embarrassing if there's something that's not shared, but sometimes we just need to share that information. For example, our health. So the health that we know that historically we've had something in our medical background which may or may not impact insurability. There may be some additional cost based on ratings such as table ratings or even flat extras if there is a medical impairment. However, if I know that I was diagnosed with a certain impairment and it's really going to impact my insurability, my health, then I don't disclose it to the agent, and they submit it. The agent submits it to the carrier. Then potentially that application could be denied or declined for non-disclosure. So if the case would have been that had I disclosed it and given all the facts, it might have been rated, or I might have to pay more, or maybe it wouldn't have been rated at all. But nevertheless, the misrepresentation could impact the cost or even outright denied insurability of that individual. Now, let's pretend that I was able to sneak in, and I should be careful how I use that word. I sneak in an impairment or a condition and it gets approved. Well, I can think of one example, might be tobacco use or smoking. Many times people think that, well, if I have no more nicotine in my system, but I go ahead and apply, and then later on I have my insurance coverage, and this again is just an extreme example here that I'm sharing with you, but I'm diagnosed with say lung cancer, and then later on it's discovered or realized that within the 2-year period of the policy, that's the contestability period, then because I didn't disclose it and I developed this impairment or medical cancer and I pass away, potentially the beneficiary may not receive any proceeds from my insurance policy. Once again, I'm using that as an example, extreme example, but as you can imagine, there are certain things that can be discovered within the 2 years that if I pass away, if I'm the insured, have my policy, and it's the first 2 years of my policy, the insurance company may not pay the benefit to my beneficiaries. So best practice is always to collect as much facts as possible, sticking to the facts, and also as an applicant to fully disclose anything that might impact the insurability or cost of your policy. If you have any questions regarding this, give us a call here at Empower Brokerage at 888-539-1633. Thank you.